Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Using any rancid oil can lead to serious health hazards. In addition to having strange flavors and odors, it contains carcinogenic free radicals. These pesky molecules are then absorbed into the foods the oil is added to. 9 December 2016.
Take our lead.
Olive oil. Olive oil. This is probably your favorite for cooking, salad dressings, and herbal remedy preparations. It can also be used for emergency lighting and candles. Olive oil can be stored longer than most other oils, and as long as it's stored properly it will last the longest of these 5 oils. About 24 months. 10 July 2018.
Take our lead.
Once you have opened the oil, it should be used in the first 2 to 3 months. However, a well-produced and high-quality product could last up to 1 year, again stored in a dry, cool place and lid tightly sealed. The 2nd of January 2018.
Take our lead.
It's safe to still use it for cooking, or should I throw it away to the garbage? It probably won't kill you to use it, but I would throw it away and buy another. Oil doesn't really go bad, it just goes rancid. Inside the can with no air, that shouldn't happen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.